everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at an absolutely stunning 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, and this is an absolute baby doll, guys. Nicest one I've ever seen. I believe we were the third wheel on a trade with a friend of ours out of North Carolina. The gentleman traded this car to him on another car. That's how we ended up with it. And he spent a ton of money on this car. This car is beautiful. Runs and drives like you drive it down the road. It's like a brand new car. Gorgeous paint. This is a factory cameo. I think cameo ivory is what they called it in '76, but this is a custom color. This is a diamond ice tri-coat pearl, and it is stunning. Car's just as nice on the bottom as it is on top. Clean as can be. Said they stripped this thing down to bare metal. There was zero rust in it. Car's out of North Carolina. You can see he's got a killer set. I think he said he's paid $3,000 for those. 17-inch billet SS1 wheels. It's got ZR rated radial red lines all the way around it. Car only had 65,000 original miles on it. I mean, this thing is new. Had all this stuff polished. Factory fender mount turn signals, they do work. Bumpers are nice. I mean, this is just a beautiful car. Dual sport mirrors. It's got all the original soft gray glass in it. I mean, look at how pretty that paint is. Said it's got a, oh, he put custom SX emblems, and it's got a stripe on it too. Said he paid $1,000. It's got a custom dual exhaust system on it. Car sits great, really goes down the road. I mean, not a squeak, not a rattle. I mean, this car drives out excellent. Yeah, you can see he put that custom SX stripe on it. Look at those wheels. Just gorgeous. Power front disc brakes. It's got the factory Olds Rocket 350 in it, 350 automatic transmission. And look at this thing underneath the hood. It's a brand new car. He just put a new custom aluminum radiator in it. Look how nice this thing's finished. I mean, turn the key, take it right to a car show. Power steering, power brakes, factory air blows cold. It's got the factory air cleaner chrome valve covers. Just a gorgeous car. So all the front end components are all brand new. Ooh, my hands are freezing. It is wicked cold here today. I can't believe it. Looks nice, but it's cold. Your door stickers are in there. I believe he owned an interior shop, they said. And again, this is all brand new. I love the dark red up against the white. Remote mirror. I mean, this car is just slick. I mean, look how nice this stuff is. Bucket seats, center console, factory 4-bar steering wheel. I mean, look how nice the wheel is. Factory gauges, 65, 190, I think is on what it's showing. Delco AM FM radio. I mean, this car is brand new. Stock 10-bolt rear axle, and again, it goes down the road, guys. It doesn't squeak, doesn't rattle, doesn't shimmy, doesn't shake. Just rides and drives sweet as can be. I mean, just a pretty car. It's even got it's got the jack with the aftermarket spare. This is all custom upholstered in here, real nice. Those are manuals. I mean, what a car. I'd get in this car and drive it to California. I mean, just a slick car. Pretty car. Dash is nice. I mean, like I say, it's just a gorgeous car. All factory soft ray glass. Again, it's got the dual sport mirrors. Just runs and drives. You kick your air on, it blows cold. I mean, just a sweetheart, man. Great car. I don't think I have it. You have to come out there and make sure that's shut, Nathan. I don't think I got it all the way shut. It's got that inside hood release. We got it all, yeah, have it all the way down. I mean, what a car. Fit and finish is nice. I don't know if you can see all the lights working. All the lights work. Radio works, blower motor works. Again, everything opens and closes real nice. Oh, it's your, those are all functional. Again, guys, if you make sure you keep track of our inventory, you can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. You can now also subscribe to our website, so as soon as I post something, you get a notification. Look at the paint on that car. Gorgeous car. Just a water droplet if you're seeing it. Have a great day, guys.